Hey friends, let's create this gorgeous gift bag floral centerpiece. So stay tuned. I started off with these fall themed stems that I purchased at Dollar Tree. A friend asked me to whip up something cute to sit on the center of her tables for a birthday dinner. And this is something that I thought was really simple. So please forgive the quality of the video. I used the camera that I had on hand at the time, but it was so cute that I had to go ahead and press record. So I am using a gold metallic gift bag that I got from Dollar Tree, and it came in a pack of 2. And to stuff it, I am using packing paper, and this works very well for the flowers that I'm going to stick in here. It fills the bottom of the bag so that the flowers don't fall to the bottom, and it also keeps some of them in place, and you'll see how I do that shortly. So to anchor this bag, I had 2 white faux floral hydrangeas on hand, and I like them because they're full, and I think that this would be a very good base, and all I have to do is just embellish it with the other colorful stems. So here are those stems. I absolutely love the colors, and again, I got these from Dollar Tree, and there are 3 different stems, 3 different blooms, and what I do is just grab one of each and I make a cluster of 3, and that's how I am going to arrange them in this bag. Now, because these came in a cluster of flowers, I did have to use my wire cutters to snip them from the bunch. And if you want to use the bunch and not cut any, that's total preference, personal preference. But for this one, I wanted the single stems to be grouped in 3s as I place them in here. But you can use your wire cutters to cut them away from the bunch, or you can just use the bunch and bend the stems if you want to use these flowers later on in a different project. Now I am making sure that the front looks very similar to the back, because this centerpiece is going to be in the center of the table and just one side will not be visible. So I am making sure that it looks pleasant all the way around, and that's something to keep in mind. You know, sometimes we can focus only on the front and neglect the back. So I'm making sure that the back is full and looks very similar to the front, and also take a good look at the sides of your arrangements so that they don't look off to those particular sides. I always purchase extra blooms just in case I need to embellish and add, make full in some areas. So keep that in mind. Just buy a little bit more than what you need. Now, the bag is okay plain, but I want to do something a little different to it. So here is another bag that I have not added flowers to. I keep these flat back pearl beads on hand. I get them from Hobby Lobby, and I normally get them when they're 50% off, and I just keep them in a bag because sometimes I take these with me if I'm going other places to decorate or need to embellish some things. So with my hot glue gun, all I'm going to do is just add the pearls on top of the bag randomly. No rhyme or rhythm here. I use several different sizes because in this particular bundle of beads, they come in all kinds of sizes. So I think the variety of sizes looks really good. I know that I am doing this for a centerpiece, but I think that this would also be good to just embellish a gift bag to give to a friend. The holidays are coming up. This will be really good to sit under your tree I'm using gold, but I'm sure the sky is the limit with other different types of bags. And then Hobby Lobby also has rhinestone flat backs that would be great for the bling and glam holiday lover. As I look back at this video, at the time that I was recording this, it was right when we were getting ready to move, and the only thing in my living room was the stand that you saw at the beginning of the video. And right now I am filming on my egg chair in the living room because everything else had been moved out, but I wanted to get a video up for you all, and I thought this was too cute not to share. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe. I would love for you to stick around and see what I post for you all. And also click the notification bell so that you don't miss any uploads in the future. And leave me a comment. I love to interact with you down in the comment area. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.